this is last but not least.
We've been waiting for this one for months.
It's a small world after all. It's a small world after all. All right.
And this one was 69 Canadian, 49 US.
All right. Last but not least.
The best for last. Well, I mean, you might
Yeah, it depends on how much you like Small World.
And how much you like Star Wars that we just did.
It's a Small World, the happiest cruise that ever sailed. I don't remember seeing that phrase anywhere in Small World, though. No.
Oh, I can feel the vibration of this thing already. You have an audience behind you.
So there we go. There you have it. And even when the music's not playing, the smiley face on the front still rocks back and forth. So there you have it. That's our Hallmark Christmas ornament haul for this year. Thanks for watching. Enjoy. If you have any comments, if you have any questions, comments, drop them below. We're happy to answer. And we look forward to bringing you more Christmas stuff as the season gets closer. Welcome home.